help producers speed drying time of valuable forage crops, New Holland offers the ProTed series of rotary tedders. These units effectively fluff hay to promote even and faster drying. New Holland offers 4, 6, and 8 rotor designs with working widths of 17 foot 1 inch to 36 foot 1 inch, all in trailed models. The ProTed 3417 is a 4 rotor with 6 tine arms per rotor and a working width of 17 foot 1 inch. The ProTed 3625 is a 6 rotor with 7 tine arms per rotor and a working width of 24 feet 11 inches. The ProTed 3836 rounds out the lineup as an 8 rotor tedder with 7 tine arms per rotor and a working width of 36 feet 1 inch.